Alright, so we're now standing out our window of our hotel watching the pretty lights.
We have the best.
This is such a good view.
The best view in the
I don't know what that area over there is,
That's
but
Islands of Adventure, and the other side over there is Universal Studios.
Oh yeah. And there's apparently fireworks going off somewhere, but they don't want to show themselves right now. They probably will later. And then there's...
Oh, the lamp. I want to turn the lamp on. Is that okay?
Okay. Okay. Now
Do you want me to turn off the light? This time?
Yeah.
Okay, just tell me when you're ready. In the meantime, I'm going to hack into your laptop.
Okay, if you can find it.
I already found it.
Okay. And then this is the busy... Oh, this is the street below.
Taking advantage of my $15 that I paid for it.
I hope I don't have to pay extra for it. I hear fireworks. Oh my god, look at that!
Oh, snap!
Oh my god, that's gorgeous. That was so pretty.
And we get to watch it for free.
I know, this is so fun. Take that. Whatever I was thinking of.
Take that, Royal Inn Suites.
No, take that first hotel that we were going to go to.
The guy said he was able to give us this.
Yeah, which was nice.
Thank you, Mr. Guy that helped that
Mr. Front Desk. His name was...
no, it's not.
Louis? Louis?
Figure out. The guy with the mustache. He should be there, so...
I guess. Maybe in the morning, but...
Let me see any more fireworks. Why am I having my shoes on? Chill out.
Now we're going to go back to the busy street below, where, as you can see, there's many cars. Not as many as if you were going to, like, say, Las Vegas or something, but there are cars. More coming, I think. I see lights coming around and doing weird things. There's a bright, weird light shining. Come on, yellow. Don't come on. Fireworks! Fireworks! Oh, you missed them. I got them, though.
But I just heard the noises, though.
Yeah, but they're like delayed. The light comes up and then they... But see, I have my camera now placed right where the fireworks go, so I can leave. All my stuff because you can see of me passing the stuff. Ooh, there's like a searchlight or something over there. Oh, I think it's at... Oh, it's at the top of the Islands of Adventure sign thing. Oh, here they are. They're here. Right there.
Yes! Oh, they're gorgeous!
Oh my god, look at those. Wow.
That is too amazing.
I love that I can just record it and not have to do anything. It's just right there. It's like, okay. They can record for me.
This is what I call a vacation.
This is fun. This is a great day for ending on the first day.
Think about it. What if it's like this every night?
This would be fun.
Like for 3 nights we get to see fireworks at the end of the day. That'd be epic.
What time is it?
It's 9.
Is it 9? Holy shit.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, that is so beautiful.
Oh.
Guess who got a camera?
Look at it, there's more.
my god, that is so cool.
This is too amazing.
That is so cool. Take that, people in Maryland, where it's raining, it's crummy and crap.
I know. You don't get to see fireworks every night. Gotta text the people and tell them.
I'm trying to figure out if I can see what Hogwarts is. Over here. I think I see Hogwarts, but I'm not sure. And like... maybe I'm wrong on where Hogwarts is. I don't know. Yeah, there's some light show or something going on all the way over there and stuff. Which is pretty cool. I don't know what it is. Oh, more!
Oh my god!
That's just like a dazzling.
Just imagine when we get to see the finale.
Look at the light. There's a blue light that's shining up there.
I see it.
Wouldn't that kind of be distracting for planes, though?
Well, it's not near the airport area.
No, but planes in the sky, though?
Probably
They're like, oh no, the Germans are attacking. Certainly. Oh no, wait, the planes in the sky would be the Germans.
Wow.
That's what they did for. I think they're getting ready for more. So yeah, this is pretty much what our night is consisting of right now. Fireworks and happiness. And many colorful lights. Oh, here's anymore.